Hello wonderful person, this is Philip, and in this video I want to talk about two more supplements, dietary supplements, which in my experience have improved my ability to concentrate, and specifically I mean concentrate on mundane tasks. In my case, I measure this by playing bullet chess online, which is something I don't recommend if you want to be truly happy. It's a rather frustrating thing, it's sort of an addiction. But a few weeks after starting to take these two supplements, I noticed that my bullet chess rating online seemed to be about 100 points higher than before. Now, I'm not a very good chess player and not a very good bullet chess player. It went from the 1500s to the 1600s, basically. So this might also have just been coincidence, but I still keep taking these supplements because I believe that they are probably among the more harmless and useful ones. So ones where there isn't much of a danger, but they do seem to benefit lots of people. People are raving about them. I didn't have a big problem with concentration to begin with. I really got into these two supplements because a friend started to take them who had problems concentrating on everyday tasks. But I myself was convinced that I should at least try it, and I am still taking them. The two supplements I'm talking about are Mucuna, pruriens, and GABA, which is gamma-aminobutyric acid. One of them is a powdered plant, and the other one is a substance that the human brain produces naturally, but you just take a little bit more of it into your body and it helps with concentration. None of this is medical or professional advice. I'm just some person sharing his opinion and his experiences with these supplements. I personally take about 1/3 of a teaspoon of each of those two supplements every morning, and I haven't noticed any negative effects from them. And like I said, I feel like my concentration has improved somewhat, but it wasn't too bad to begin with, so I'm not the best person to experiment with this. If you have tried it or you are going to try it and you find any results or no results, please share them with us, comment or send me a message, and we can start a discussion from there. Other than that, I don't want to make this video too long because, again, I'm not a doctor. I'm not going to give you all the details on what those substances are and how exactly they work in the human brain and in the body. That is something that you can find on the internet yourself. If you're watching these videos, you are probably not someone who needs to be spoon-fed all the information. You're someone who is just looking for general ideas or inspiration to check out for yourself. So that's how I intend all these videos to be taken, and that's why I'm generally kind of brief on the details, because I don't want to bore you with them. I want this to be a channel where you can get quick little pointers, inspiration that I got throughout the years from seemingly random sources, and that I just feel like passing on. So those are two of the supplements that help with concentration. Lots of people have reported that they replaced their Adderall with those two, a combination of those two supplements, because Adderall just has a lot of negative side effects. Again, I shouldn't be talking about side effects because I'm not a doctor and I've personally never taken Adderall, but it's something to consider if you're going off that medication for whatever reason and you feel you want something that will still help you concentrate. Why don't you try these two supplements? Of course, if you're worried about any kind of health concerns related to taking a new supplement, you should always talk to your doctor about it. I am not your doctor. But yeah, that would be one thing that I have observed. It seems to have a positive effect on me so far. I've only been taking them for a couple of months. If anything changes, I'll make another video. And otherwise, I'll make videos on different topics. I have another supplement, actually two more supplements that just came to my mind that I want to make videos on. But I'm going to make all these videos separate so that I don't have one long video where I just have a random list of supplements. This video was supposed to be about supplements that I have found do increase my ability to concentrate. And the next video is going to be about something very different. Thanks for watching and have a good day.